Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm Jodi and I'm really glad that you're here. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing so that you can be notified every time I post a new video, which will be every Monday and Thursday. If you are a regular visitor to my channel, thanks so much for being here today. I think you're gonna find today's video funny, I hope, but also very useful. What we're talking about today is all about packing for summer vacation. It's that time of year, whether you're gonna be gone for a couple nights or you're fortunate enough to have a long-term vacation wherever your desired destination is. So packing light for the vacation time is important, right? Especially with TSA requirements. So what I'm gonna show you today, all of this will fit into one little carry-on that when it's all said and done weighs about 7 pounds. Now I know that sounds like a lot, but you can find containers, packing containers that may weigh a little bit less. And all of this is TSA approved in terms of size. It's all 3 ounces or less. So if in fact you didn't have room for it in your luggage, you could carry it or have somebody really strong carry it. Because like I said, it's about 7 pounds. Now the size of this is not very big at all. And you can find this on Amazon. I will link it below. Or you can find it at craft stores, a variety of locations, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, for example. But any type of container like this will work. I like this one because it has room for brushes above which you'll see. And then inside of here, these are all replaceable and removable so that you can customize the inside of your pack, however you see best fit. Now if I'm gonna be gone for a few weeks, I do have 2 of these, one for all hair care products, which would then include combs and brushes I would put in here, and one for cosmetics, which would then also include a lot of skincare. But this is my week or less, everything you can fit. Now again, all of these items are going to fit nicely in here. Now, you would think I would look like a supermodel after taking all of these products, and you may be thinking, if you're on vacation, why in the world are you taking so many products? That's a good question that I am still searching for the answer for. However, I don't like to be on vacation and then wish I had one of my favorite products and not have it. So some of this has been packed and I really haven't used it or haven't reached for it, but I'm just afraid there's gonna be that one time where we're gonna go out to a nice dinner, or I got a little sunburn and I'm gonna want a little extra moisturizer, that I'm gonna wish I had some of these products. So let's just dive in, and I'm gonna fast forward through some of this because you don't need to watch me pack, but I do wanna highlight some of the items that I have in here because most of what it is travel size. That's first of all, tip number 1 is get your favorite product in a travel size and then just keep it packed, especially if you travel a lot for work, but that's not always necessary. So I'm just gonna start packing and I'm gonna highlight some of the products that I would highly recommend. You know, this IT Cosmetics, and I'm not sponsored by IT Cosmetics. I should be sponsored by IT Cosmetics, so if you're a rep listening from IT Cosmetics, I use a lot of your products and a lot of your brushes. Anyway, so this is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. Always have that in there. That is one of my staples. I also have my waterproof mascara, important for vacation time. My Revitalash, certainly never without my instant eraser from Maybelline, my concealer, my mascara that right now I'm using the Idol Lash by Lancome, and then a critically important eyelash curler, and I'm never without my La Roche-Posay 50 SPF sunscreen. That goes right on top. Then NARS has some really nice travel sizes. This is the, we'll get that later, but it is the Orgasm Foundation. And here's the little bronzer, both travel sizes. They go right on top. Then I also have a cream blush just in case my skin gets a little dry on vacation and I want to go with the cream blush. That's right there. And then a paint pod by MAC. Right now I'm using Painterly. That's always there. So just so that I don't fib and tell you it all fits in there, blooper number 1, there is a very small sized blush. It also goes in that pack right there. Then we're gonna go to, just in case I decide to do a little contouring, which I don't do that often on vacation, that is a Makeup Forever High Def. I also use a little lighter color just in case I don't wanna be extreme or extra, like that's ever a problem. With the Anastasia, this one's a little bit lighter color in case I wanna do that for contour. And then white strips, you can never have too many of those on hand. And my toothpaste, which is actually tooth powder. I love this stuff. It's called Extra Bright. I get it at Whole Foods. And now I find you can get it on Amazon. It's just a powder. It's like brushing with baking soda. I love it. Okay, that goes there. Then in the next little column up here is my beauty blender, or any beauty sponge will do. I have certainly a pencil sharpener because it never fails that you're on vacation and one of your eyeliner, lip liner, eyebrow pencils is not sharp. So I always have that little handy tool. And my hair clips, just to get my hair out of my way while I'm doing my makeup. Tweezers are always good, because what is it about being on vacation that suddenly your chin decides to sprout hair and it's an inch long that you never saw before? So that always happens, especially as you get older. I hate to scare you if you're younger and watching this tutorial or this video, but yeah, tweezers, you never know when you're gonna need them, but you always will need them. Then the next one is my little lip container. This is just some lip gloss. My favorite 910 by L'Oreal lipstick. It's more of a shimmer. My handy dandy Tarte Shape Tape for my under eye concealer area. It goes right there. I'm hardly ever without a little tiny Moroccan oil for my hair. And this is dual purpose. I use it for my body too, not to suntan, but if I am feeling drier skin, my legs, my arms, something, I'll just add a little bit of this. Speaking of that, Moroccan oil does have a night body serum. This came in a gift with purchase, or a birthday purchase, I think, from Sephora, and it smells fantastic. It's super small, and I just put that right inside there also. And then I have this from Be Hydrate. It is from Drunken Elephant. Anytime I get a gift with purchase, if it's a small one and it's something that I can use, I will just put it in my travel kit. That way it's sort of like when you're on vacation, you have something fun in a product that you don't normally use that just makes your holidays or your vacation a little bit more fun, because it's not all products that you always use. The other thing that I put in here for dual purpose is this company called Aaliyah. Now this is a fantastic company and I'm really impressed by them. They're out of Vancouver, Canada, by a lady named Sasha, and her mom back in the day was a wellness expert, a pioneer in wellness in Canada, and her brother Zach had asthma, acute asthma, and her mom found a way through homeopathic nature type medicine to heal him, and he actually competed in the Olympics in 2 different years for sailing. So Sasha had done some traveling and became an executive in the fashion and beauty industry, and one day she was using a lip balm and her mom challenged her to look at the ingredients that were in that lip balm, and when she did, she was pretty horrified with what she found. So she created this company, Aaliyah, and you can find it, Aaliyah, I believe it's pronounced, and you can find it on Sephora carries it, Ulta carries it, and then their website. Very sustainably resourced products. They have a good recycling program. They also use sustainably sourced packaging. And what I really like about it is not only is it a skincare powered by makeup powered by skincare, and the products themselves most of them are recyclable, and the containers are made from recyclable resources, but they're dual purpose. So I have 2 of them, and they're meant to be a lip color and a cheek color. So when you're going for vacation, it's certainly nice. You can do dual purpose. You can use that for your lips and then also for your cheeks. If I did it right now, I'd look a bit like Bozo the Clown, but there you go. And again, I have 2 different colors, a pretty bright color and more of a matte color. Anytime you can use dual purpose when you're traveling, I'm all for it. It takes up less space. Really good products from this company, so I encourage you to check them out. I am never without my Aquaphor, because that is how I keep my lips moist in the morning and then again before I go to bed. It fits right there. A little tiny sample of my favorite perfume. It fits right there. And then the hair care products are usually what goes in this larger section right here. So I have it spaced 3 separate sections, and then my hair products will go there. My blow drying serum, and then my conditioner goes right there. My shampoo goes right there. And then I will use this. If your hair gets really tangly on vacation, especially if you're in and out of water or in windblown boats or wherever, this stuff it's a 10, is fantastic. It's a little pricey, but it's well worth it, I think. I use it every day to help get the tangles out of my longer hair. So it fits in there nicely. And then I always use a CeraVe moisturizing cream morning and night when I am traveling. And then sitting on top of that is my It Cosmetics CC cream. But wait, there's more. All of my brushes, yeah, I'm realizing it's a bit extra. Yeah, but again, it fits, so we're gonna take it. So all of the brushes, and again, most of these are IT Cosmetic brushes, not all of them. Some of them are Sigma, good old Kabuka brush. Whatever brushes you use, I just put them, all my face brushes will go in one section. Then my eye brushes, again, a bit excessive. Don't use them all, but I have them just in case that one crazy time that I might need them. I'm really learning a lot about myself doing this video, that I probably have stuff that I don't need to take. But I didn't want to clean it out ahead of time. I wanted to be real with you guys and show you what I really take. And then this is eyebrow pencils, lip liner pencils, and eyeliner, lip liner, brow. Now, what I found as I was taking all this out is I have 3 brow pencils, which is funny because I only have 2 brows and I don't use 3 colors. That's a bit of an ombre look. That who does that for their eyebrows? I don't, but maybe just in case I decided one day to go blonde and one day to go brown, I don't know. That needs to probably come out of there. And then 2 lip liner pencils just to match the lipsticks that I put in there earlier. Bare Minerals is one that I do reach for a lot, and this is the nude. Surprise, surprise. Everything I wear, it seems to be nude. That's a really pretty color. So that's the Bare Essentials nude color. And what I love about this one is how long it is. So it absolutely lasts a long time, which lip liner pencils seem to be getting shorter and shorter. And then eyeliner pencils, you know I'm a huge fan of Smashbox, especially on vacation because they sharpen in the lid. Just twist it. I love that. That's a dark brown. If you've watched some of my tutorials before, you know I'm not a big fan of black for my eyes just because of my skin tone and my hair color. And then a 24-hour, just in case you're really gonna get your party on while you're on vacation, and why not? It's 24-hour wear. I can't tell you if it actually works 24 hours. I have never tried it. And then I do have one black eyeliner pencil. This is a waterproof one by Chanel. And it's a really smooth gliding one, which is why I take it with me wherever I go. So there you go. There are those lip liner, eyeliner, eyebrow pencils. All of it fits right there. But wait, there's more. Then I put my earrings. Apparently I'm a creature of habit. A lot of hoops. You can put whatever earrings that you carry, and probably necklaces and bracelets also. Just slide. There's a little zipper right here behind the brushes so that everything stays flat back there, and any jewelry. Plus I just feel like if I'm going to carry this on, then I'm carrying my jewelry with me, and it makes me feel more safe and like there's a better security with my jewelry because it's with me. And then the last thing that I pack is some sort of a multi-use palette. Now NARS has some that are really good. Maybelline has some that are really good. They have a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer, and I use those as eyeshadows as well. If you've watched me, you know I do a lot of, if it doesn't have multi-purpose use, then I'm just not really probably gonna purchase it. I love things that you can use for more than one thing. This is the new Charlotte Tilbury one. This is in the light palette. And I really like this one because it not only does it have the brown hues, but it also has some of the pink for the cheek that then you can reuse for different purposes. For highlighter, you can use some of that blush for not only for your cheeks, but also a little bit in your eye. The highlighter, of course, to do a little bit of your brow and some highlighter, and then the browns for bronze and some eyeshadow. So everything that you need in terms of a palette would go right there. It sets on top, close the lid. Like my suitcase, you normally have to push down pretty hard on it to get it to shut. But there you go, zipper in, carry handle. And again, it's about 7 pounds, I would say. I did weigh it, but I think I've added a few more things. So it might be closer to 7.5, but still it is a carry-on available if you need it to because it's 3 ounces or less on the liquids. So there you go. I hope that helps you pack your hair care products and your beauty products all in one simple to use pack. And again, you can get this on Amazon. I'll link it below if it's still available. There's a bigger one if you prefer a larger one, but all one neat little case. I hope you have happy travels, wonderful vacation time, and spend lots of time outside amongst other people, friends and family. Happy holiday, happy vacation, everyone. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.